today's video. Yung mga friendship, first day of my work. Yan, I'm going to work. Yan, after my delivery, after my maternity leave. Yan, it's so sad because I'm always driving with my husband beside me. So, he's always pick and drop me at work. So, now, I need to be alone and drive alone to go to work. Yan, mga friendship. And I'm so sad. This is the first day na maiiwan ko ang aking baby. Yan, mga friendship. But that's life. So, we can do it, mga friendship. We can do it. Yan, mga friendship. So, samahan nyo akong pumasok sa trabaho. Let's go! How to check before going to work. First day of work.